लभे ही न थो इंसान के गोलियो हाने आऊं गुजारिश करने से आकाश लिगारी के तो वो अच्छे आई पंगी स्पीच पेश करे तो उन्हें जोरदार तालियों में आकाश लिगारी
Beginning with the sweet name of Almighty Allah, who has created you, me, and whole entire universe. Honorable my guests, respectable my teachers, and all dear fellows, Assalamu alaikum. Respect sir, at this gathering have been arranged about the cultural day of Sindh. Many different problems have been injuring the beauty of Sindh, like as unemployment, illiteracy, terrorism, extremism, load shedding, hungerness, kidnapping, poverty, and other different problems. I would tell you that what has Sindh given and what is given to the Sindh. I outside my speech with this poetry. Goat samura sona Sindhja, goat samura sona Sindhja, shahri manzar anya abdur, har gothano hanj halali, shahri manu mitda mur, Kashmir Karachi Sakkardis, Kashmir Karachi Sakkardis, tu sannai sevan ki jardis, soni Sindh Sindhu tahi yaad jeevan god, shahar samura sona Sindhja, goat shamanzar anya abdur. Respect sir, in terms of natural and economic resources, Sindh is the richest province of Pakistan. But the people of Sindh remain amongst the poorest. Sindh is the home of 2 major seaports and largest international airports, and trade worth of billions of US dollars is done in. And throughout the province, majority of head of offices of the financial institutions and multinational companies are based in Karachi. The capital of Sindh also remains the capital of Pakistan, making it the commercial and financial nerve center of the country. Respect sir, Sindh is the largest producer of oil and natural gas. Sindh accounts for 99% of the coal reserves of the country, which are located at Lakda, Sunda, Thar, Badin, and Metin Jambir, with Thar coal field being the largest field in the world. Respect sir, Sindh contributes the lion's share of the national revenue, but is always in deficit due to the stepmotherly treatment meted out by every federal government. And even when the same political party is in the power, both of the province, Sindh has to keep on complaining about its share from the federal funds. Respect sir, 71% gas is produced in Sindh, 77% oil is produced in Sindh, 97% coal is existed in Sindh, 12 lakhs metric ton fish has been caught from the Sindh, 50% electricity is produced in Sindh. What do I tell you more? So I take my place with this poetry. ए धरती तो के भेट दिना, ए धरती तो के भेट दिना के लुड़ कपड़ा के माँ कपड़ा, जे तो के रत जा रे जदिना से जग में पान मलाए वैसे जग में पान मलाए इंशाअल्लाह।